Hello everybody, Chespi here, back with another video, and in today's video, it's not the Let's Play, but I'm going to teach you guys how to make this barn that I made in the Let's Play. So, let's go and do that. Alright, so we're here in a super flat world, and this is going to be the materials that you need rounded to the nearest stack. If you want the exacts or about the exact amount of resources you're going to need, it'll be in the description, and let's get started. This build is a 26 by 23 area, and here's how that is. So we're going to want to start off by putting a pillar on the corner, a pillar of 4, spacing it by 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, another pillar on 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and another pillar here. That's going to be done on this side and on this side. So pillar here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pillar here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pillar here. And like that, that should be even. Then we're gonna want to go 3, 1, 2, 3 here on the fourth one. Pillar of 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing done on this side. 3, fourth one, 2, 4, 6, and then we're gonna want to do the same thing in the back. 3, fourth one, 2, 4, 6, and on this side, 1, 2, 3 on the fourth one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have that. After building this pillars, we're gonna want to go 3 in again, and on the fourth one we're going up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then over here, go in 3 on the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go in 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the outside frame of the barn. Now what we're gonna do is go inside, and we're gonna align ourselves with this big pillar and this one in the middle, and we're gonna make it 6. A pillar of 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like so. And the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is how it should look. I made a mistake in the build, so when building it, make sure for when you have the tallest beam, make sure it's a gap of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you go and place your beam like so. And yeah. That's the mistake. I think it was like a 6 gap, but it's supposed to be 5. So make sure your gap is 5 and you'll be set. Now that we have the frame of the barn done, we're going to want to get our trapdoors, and we're going to want to face the back of the log and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and close those. We're going to get a stair, place it there, and we're going to do the same on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the trap doors and stair on there. Next, we're going to get a strip spruce log, place it there. Then we're going to do a stair there, like so. And then we're going to get stair, stair in that. That's the door frame. You're going to want to repeat this on the other side. Also, don't forget to place your trapdoor under that log and under the next one. Next, what we're going to want to do is get our dark oak slabs and place them on the edge right here for the roofs of both sides. We're going to go along the whole entire edge, like so. After we get the slabs placed, you're going to want to make a staircase out of slabs like so. It should look like this. You're going to want to do the same on the other side. Like so. And you're just going to repeat this step onto the other side. That is it done on both sides. Next, after this, we're going to get the roofs on. To do the roof, we're going to want to grab our spruce slabs and go all the way along like so. Then we're going to want to get our stripped wood log and go all the way along. And we're going to do this in intervals, so switching every time, like so. I'm going to cut to when it's done, so be right back. When you're done doing the roof, it should end on a spruce log. After that, you're going to want to get another spruce logs and go all the way across, one more to the side. Like so. And you're going to want to repeat this step on the other side. And there we go. Now we have both sides done. Next, we're going to get started right here on this centerpiece. You're going to want to put a trapdoor here. Spruce stairs like so. You're going to get your spruce planks and take them all the way up. Trapdoor here. Trapdoor there. Spruce right there. Stairs like so. And trapdoor there. It should end up looking kind of like this. And we're going to want to do this on the other side. Next, we're going to do a roof on top of the barn. To do that, we're going to want to place a temporary block here. And we're going to want to place dark oak slabs like so. Go all the way across. Like so, and start staircasing up. And staircasing down. And you're going to want to do that again all the way towards the end. And once you arrive back, staircase up. You should have this side already done, so staircase up from there as well. And that's the frame part of the roof. Next, you're going to want to get your whole block, break the temporary block, and go across. Like so. Then get your slab and go like so. All the way across. Then break this block and log. You're just going to interval between the two until you have your whole roof done. So be right back. There we go. Now we have that done. Next, we're going to want to connect these. They should look like this. You're going to want to connect this beam up to there. Go all the way across, connect that beam there. And this is optional. You can do it any other way, but this is how I have mine. You have stairs down one, and then you connect them like so. And then you just put that there. Once you get that whole entire middle archway done, you're going to want to come up here where we have this open space and put logs up as a beam to support the roof. Then you're going to want to go like so. Do 3 spaces. On the 4th one, place your log. And then go stair and stair like so. Should look like that. You're going to want to do that on this side as well. Stair, 3 logs, and stair. And then stair, stair. What I did here, you're going to want to do on the other side. After getting this part done, you're going to want to go down here and start getting your fences in for your animals. This is just going to go around all the sides connected into each of the logs, like so, and like so. You're going to do this all the way around. Like so. This is also going to be done on the other side. After placing your fences, you're going to want to get a trapdoor and go to this pillar, count 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and place it down like so on the bottom of the 5th. And this is going to let you place your lanterns, if you so please. This will allow you to place your lanterns if you want, like so. And you're going to want to do this on each side. There you go. Now you have your lanterns and your shelving. What you could also do is when you get there, you can just align this like so and have it go with slabs or even the trapdoors, whichever you prefer. And then after that, you're also going to want to get your logs and connect the beams up like that, and then go straight through the middle. Don't forget to place your trapdoors in. I usually line mine up with the crosses up above, like so. Then you can place your fence gates. And like that, you should have a complete barn. If you guys did enjoy the tutorial, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also be open to advice for how to improve tutorial videos in the future. Until then, see you guys next time.